The National Weather Service in Louisville has issued a tornado emergency for Fayette County in east-central Kentucky, north-central Madison County in east-central Kentucky, eastern Jessamine County in east-central Kentucky, until 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:47 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, spotters were tracking a large tornado that was located over downtown Lexington, moving southeast at 45 miles per hour. Quarter-size hail is expected with this storm. Locations impacted with this storm include Lexington, Nicholasville, and Richmond. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take shelter now. Flying debris can be dangerous to people and animals caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed in this storm. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building away from windows or doors. Do not shelter under highway overpasses, they will not protect you from a tornado. Do not wait to hear or see the tornado. If the tornado appears to not be moving, it may likely be moving towards your location. Stay away from windows. If caught without shelter, lie in a ditch or other open area with your arms covering your head.